Wait! You cannot leave him here! Please stop your car right now!
Look at that poor little puppy sitting alone in the grass. Why did they drive away?
Come back! You forgot your sweet puppy. How could anyone just abandon him here?
Mike, calm down for a moment. We need to find out what happened before assuming the worst.
But Dad, he is waiting for someone. We cannot just leave him behind in the cold. Look here. There is a small folded note attached beneath his little leather collar right now. Oh no, this is not what I thought. Dad, you really need to read this note immediately.
The note says, the owner is very sick in the hospital, and you could not take care of him.
It says, "Please bring my dear Buster to the nearest shelter so he stays safe and healthy."
The poor grandfather must be heartbroken. He truly loves this puppy and wanted to protect his life.
Is the puppy sad, Mommy? Can we give him a hug so he is not scared anymore? He did not abandon Buster because he was mean. He was just too sick to look after him.
That is right, Mike. Let us take him to the city animal shelter right away for care.
Hold him carefully, Mike. We will make sure Buster gets good food and medical attention today.
You are safe with us, Buster. We are going to find friendly people to help you out. Do not worry, little puppy. My big brother Mike is going to take great care of you.
The shelter is only 10 minutes away, kids. They have great doctors and cozy beds for dogs.
Here we are at the Animal Rescue Center. Look at all the happy dogs playing outside. Hello. We found this little puppy at the park with an important note on his collar.
Hello there. Come right in. What a sweet puppy you have brought to our rescue center today.
His name is Buster. His owner had an emergency and wrote a special letter for the shelter.
Here is the note we found on his collar. It explains the owner's serious medical situation clearly.
I see. This elderly gentleman called our emergency hotline earlier before being taken to the hospital.
Did he really call you? So he really wanted Buster to be safe with you here?
Yes, he loves Buster very much. He was heartbroken that he suddenly collapsed at home yesterday. Buster looks very healthy and well-fed. His owner took excellent care of him every single day.
We are so glad we read the note instead of jumping to the wrong conclusion at the park.
I was angry at first, but now I understand that loving someone means keeping them completely safe. I will register Buster into our temporary medical foster program while his owner recovers in hospital.
Mommy, can Buster come stay in our big, sunny backyard until his grandpa gets better?
Buster needs official veterinary checks here first, sweetie, but we can definitely visit him and help out.
How can our family help Buster and the other rescue animals while they stay at your shelter?
We always need puppy food, soft blankets, and volunteers to walk and play with the animals.
I have my birthday savings. I want to buy delicious food and warm blankets for Buster.
That is a wonderful idea, Mike. Let us go to the pet store and buy supplies right now.
Do not worry, Buster. I will be back this afternoon with yummy treats and soft toys for you. See, he knows you are his friend. He is thanking you for helping him today.
Let us head straight to the pet market. Lily, you can help Mike pick the softest blankets.
Welcome to the pet store, kids! Look at all the colorful dog supplies on these shelves.
We need the healthiest puppy kibble rich in vitamins so Buster grows big and strong. Look, Mike. This yellow duck is super soft. Buster will love sleeping with it in his bed.
Here is premium puppy food and healthy dental treats. Let us get 3 big bags for everyone.
These fleece blankets are washable and very soft. They will keep all the puppies warm at night.
I saved this money for a video game, but helping Buster and his owner is much better. Thank you so much.
Teamwork makes everything easier. Now let us head back to the shelter to deliver these gifts.
I hope Buster's owner is feeling better in the hospital today. I want him to know Buster is safe.
Look who is back! We brought a whole trunk full of cozy blankets and delicious food. Wow, this is incredible! Thank you so much, Mike and family, for this amazing donation.
We organized the puppy food right here so the volunteers can find it quickly every morning.
Come this way! Buster finished his vet check and is playing happily in our sunny yard.
There he is! Look how energetic and happy he is running around in this big room. Buster, come here, buddy. Look what Lily and I brought especially for you to play with.
Squeak! Good boy, Buster. You caught the yellow duck on your very first try.
He is so fast and silly. Look at his funny little ears bouncing when he runs.
I am taking photos so we can send updates to his owner through the hospital contact email. I just received an email from the hospital. The elderly gentleman underwent a successful minor surgery today.
That is wonderful news. He is going to recover and come back for Buster soon.
The doctor says he will need 2 weeks of rest. Buster will stay safe here until then.
We will visit you every single day after school, Buster. You will never feel lonely here.
It has been a long and meaningful day. Let us sit together and draw a get well card.
I am drawing Buster running in the green park so his owner knows he is super happy.
I am adding bright stars and sunshine so the kind owner feels happy and gets well very soon.
We will write our family phone number so he knows we are supporting him every step.
Tomorrow morning, the shelter director will deliver this lovely card directly to his hospital room.
Good morning, everyone. I finished my homework early so I could help feed Buster breakfast today. Here is your yummy breakfast, Buster. Eat up so you stay strong for your grandpa.
Crunch, crunch. He loves this food. Look how fast he is eating his healthy morning meal. Heel! Good boy, Buster. You are learning how to walk politely on a leash so nicely.
Volunteering together as a family is such a great way to make our whole community stronger.
We want your fur to be super shiny and clean when your owner comes to see you.
Mike? The grandfather sent a letter back to you from the hospital rehabilitation center today.
Wow, he wrote back to us. Let me read what he said to our whole family. He wrote, "Thank you, young hero, for taking care of Buster when I was too weak to stand."
He says Buster was his late wife's favorite puppy and means the entire world to him.
Love connects people and animals in such deep ways. You did something truly heroic, Mike.
2 whole weeks passed by quickly as Buster grew bigger, stronger, and more playful every day.
Today is the big reunion day. Look at the colorful welcome banner hanging over the gate.
I am so excited. My heart is beating fast. Buster has his favorite toy ready. You look so handsome today, Buster. Your grandpa is going to be so proud of you.
Look, a silver car just pulled up outside. An elderly gentleman is walking toward the door.
Hello, everyone. I am finally recovered and came straight here to see my beloved puppy.
Whew! Buster heard his voice. Look at his ears standing straight up in pure surprise. Go, Buster, go! Your grandpa is waiting for you with open arms right over there.
Oh, my dear Buster, I missed you so much. You are safe and healthy, thank heavens.
Look at them hugging. Buster is so happy he cannot stop wagging his whole little body.
Seeing them together makes me feel so happy inside. This is the best moment ever.
Hello, sir.
You must be young Mike. The shelter staff told me everything about your incredible kindness.
Thank you, Mike, for protecting my puppy and not letting him get lost or hurt in the park. You are welcome, sir. At first I did not understand, but now I know you did it to protect him. Here is all the nutritious food and supplies we bought for Buster to help you both at home.
Your family has been angels to me. I will never forget your generosity and warm hearts.
Buster is officially cleared and ready to return home with his loving dad today.
Goodbye, Buster. Remember to visit us at the Sunny Park whenever you go for walks.
Bye, Buster buddy. Live a long, happy life with your grandpa. We will always love you.
Have a safe drive home. We will see you at the park next weekend for sure.
Mike, because of your extraordinary dedication and big heart, we want you to have this honor. Congratulations, Mike. You are officially our shelter's youngest and most valued junior volunteer hero.
We are so proud of you, Mike. You proved that empathy and patience can change lives.
I learned that true love is about doing what is best and safest for someone you love.
The park looks so peaceful today. Every animal and person deserves a safe and loving home.
Sometimes people make hard choices not because they do not care, but because they love deeply.
Always choose kindness and understanding, because every little act of love makes the world brighter.
Never judge too quickly. Always help those in need and cherish the bond of family and love.